Good day, ma'am. I am Marlon Carayon from BSC2Y1-2. In this video, I will explain the front analog camera. First, shutter speed ISO. This is how long the camera shutter stay open the LED in light, which affect how bright the picture is and how much motion blur there is. Second, shutter release button. This button opens the shutter to let light hit the film or sensor and take a picture. 3. Film advance lever. This part moves the film to the next frame after a picture is taken on a film camera. 4. Frame counter. This shows how many pictures have been taken on the roll of film or with a digital camera. 5. Neck strap eyelet. Neck strap, neck strap eyelet. A small loop on the camera where you can attach a neck strap. 6. Hand grip, a part of the camera that helps you hold it securely and comfortably. 7. Self-timer lever. This control sets a timer to delay the shutter release, allowing the photographer to get into the picture. And 8. Lens release button. This button lets you take the lens of the camera. 9. Add shoe contact. A mount on the top of the camera for attaching an external flash or another accessories. 10. Film rewind crank, a lever or knob used to rewind film back into the in it can film back into it cartridge after shooting. 11. Film rewind knob, a part that lets you rewind the film manually back into its cartridge. 12. Film speed window, a small clear area that shows the speed rating ISO of the film you're using. 13. Aperture, the opening in the lens that control how much light enter the camera. 14. Distance scale. Distance scale. A marker on the lens that show how far away the subject is in focus. 15. 15. Focusing ring. A circular control on the lens that adjusts the focus distance. 16. Field, pre- field preview lever. This control lets you see how the aperture setting affect what in focus before taking picture. 17. Multiple exposure lever. A control on same film cameras that lets you take several pictures on the same frame of film. 18. Exposure measurement button. A button that turns on the light meter to check how bright the scene is. And the next, back analog camera. 19. Viewfinder eyepiece. This is the part of the camera where the photographer look to frame and focus their shot. 20. Rewind fork. This is a part in film cameras that help pull the film back into the cartridge when rewinding. 21. Film cartridge chamber. This is space inside the camera that holds film cartridge. 22. Battery chamber lid. This is the cover that keeps the camera battery safe and secure. 23. 23. Tripod socket. This is treated spot on the camera where you can attach a tripod or monopod for stability. 24. Film guide. This part in camera or projector help the film move smoothly and stay aligned as it goes through the device. 25. Film sprocket. These are small holes on, on the edge of film that help it move correctly in the camera. 26. 26. Camera back. This is the this is the back part of the camera that open for loading and uploading film. 27. Film pressure plate. This flat surface inside the camera keep the film flat and aligned during exposure. 28. Film rewind button. This button on film cameras stop the film from moving forward, allowing it to be rewound back into the cartridge. 29. Film take up spool. Film take up spool. This is a reel inside the camera or projector that collect and wind the exposed film. 30. The last number. Film cartridge confirmation window. This is small window on the back of film. Camera lets you check if a film cartridge is loaded without opening camera. Next, this is the front of digital camera. Built-in flash, a light that pops up to help take photo in low light. Second, flash button. The button used to activate the flash. 3. BKT button, a button for taking multiple shots in a row. 4. Infrared receiver, a sensor that picks up signal from remote control. 5. Mounting marker, a guide for attaching accessories securely. 6. Lens release button. Ay, 6. Built-in microphone, a mic for recording sound during video. 7. Lens release button, a button to detach the lens from the camera. And then 8. Connect cover, a cover to protect unused port. 9. Cover for accessories terminal and external, a protective, a, pro- a protective cover for additional connections. And 10. App mode button, a button to switch the camera to access point mode for Wi-Fi 11 lens, the glass for 11 lens, the glass for that focus light the capture image, a 12 lens. 13. Mirror, a reflective surface that helps direct light to the camera sensor. 14. USB, a part for connecting USB, a part for connecting the camera to computer or charging. Audio video, a connecting for audio and video output. HDMI connector, a part for connecting to TV or monitor. 17. Accessories terminal, a part of attaching additional accessories. 18. External for connect connector for external microphone, part to connect a better microphone for improved audio. And the next, the black digital camera. First, viewfinder eyepiece. This is where you look through to see what you're photographing. Second, rubber eye cap. This soft cushion around the viewfinder make it comfortable to use. 3. Delete format button. This button allow you to remove unwanted photos or format the memory card. 5. Monitor monitor this screen. Ay, 4. Play black playback button. Pressing this let you view the picture you take it. 5. Monitor. This screen display your photos and camera setting. 6. Menu button. This button open the camera setting and option menu. 7. Help protect button. This provides assistance with setting and help prevent accidental change. 8. 150 sensitive button. This adjusts the camera sensitive to light for better exposure. 9. Quality size button. Quality size button. This changes the quality and size of the photos you take. 10. Diopter adjustment control. This adjusts the viewfinder for better focus based on your eyesight. 11. AELAFL button. This lock the exposure or focusing while shooting. And then 12, speaker display sound for video playback and other audio alert. 13, command dial. This dial change setting like shutter speed or aperture easily. 14, live view switch. This allow you to see the scene on the monitor instead of through the viewfinder. 16, multi-selector. This allow you to nav- navigate through menus and select points. 17, memory card slot cover. This protect the memory card slot from just dust and damage. 18, OK button. This confirm your selection in my menus. 19, infrared receiver. This detects signal from remote control for taking picture. 20, focus selector lock. This prevent accidental change to your focus setting. 21, memory card access lamp. This light show when the camera is reading or writing to the memory card. 22, info button. This display important information about your setting and battery life.